Hello friends, Miss Green here. Welcome back to my garden, where every season brings new possibilities. Today I'm sharing my ultimate guide to what you should plant in spring versus fall. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in together. Let's start with spring, the season of fresh starts. When those first warm days hit, my fingers start itching to plant. Spring is perfect for crops that need a long growing season or love that gentle warmth. I always start with cool season veggies like lettuce, peas, radishes, and spinach. They sprout quickly and don't mind a chilly night or two. As the soil warms up, that's my cue to plant tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and beans. These summer-loving plants thrive on heat and sunlight, so I wait until any threat of frost is gone. Herbs like basil, dill, and cilantro also do best when started in the spring. Now let's talk about flowers. I plant sunflowers, zinnias, marigolds, and cosmos in early spring for a burst of color all summer long. And don't forget bulbs like gladiolus and dahlias. Pop those in once the soil's warm, and they'll reward you with late summer blooms. But here's a secret. Fall is just as magical for planting. In fact, some of my most successful harvests begin when the air gets crisp. Fall is ideal for crops that prefer cool weather, like carrots, beets, kale, and broccoli. They actually taste sweeter after a light frost. Garlic is another fall favorite. Plant those cloves in autumn, and by summer you'll have plump, flavorful bulbs ready to harvest. Fall is also the time to plant spring-flowering bulbs like tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. Tuck them into the ground before it freezes, and you'll be greeted with cheerful blooms when winter finally melts away. Here's my golden rule. Think ahead. While spring is all about getting a jump on summer crops, fall planting sets you up for a strong early start next year. And remember, local climate matters. Always check your USDA zone or local frost dates before planting. So, whether you're filling your beds in spring or sneaking in another round of veggies in fall, there's always something to grow. Gardening is a journey through the seasons, and each one has its own treasures. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. Don't forget to subscribe for more planting secrets. Happy gardening!